In the realm of the gods, atop Mount Olympus, sat Hera, the queen of the gods, a figure of awe and mystery. Today we introduce you to Hera, the mighty goddess of love, marriage, and divine wrath. Born to the Titans Cronus and Rhea, Hera's journey to greatness was fated from the start. A goddess destined to rule, her path was interwoven with power and challenges. In a union that shaped the destinies of gods and mortals alike, Hera wed Zeus, her brother, cementing her status as the queen of the gods. Renowned for her beauty, Hera symbolized love and marriage. She was often depicted as a majestic figure, wearing a crown and holding a royal lotus scepter. Beneath Hera's regal composure simmered a fury unmatched. Her wrath was legendary, aimed at those who crossed her or fell prey to Zeus's affections. One of her most famous stories is the myth of the Golden Apple, where she rivals Aphrodite and Athena for the title of the fairest goddess. Her anger and jealousy were ignited, leading to a chain of events that would ultimately cause the Trojan War. Despite her vengeful nature, Hera was also a protector and guardian of women and marriage. She cared for her children and fiercely defended her throne. Hera's power extended beyond Mount Olympus. She was worshipped by mortals and revered as the guardian of marriage. Hera's legacy transcends time. From ancient temples to modern retellings, she remains a symbol of strength, complexity, and the enduring power of mythology. Queen Hera, a deity of many facets, her story is a testament to the enduring power of ancient myths and their ability to captivate us across millennia. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more captivating mythology content.